Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting radical equation problem x minus square root x plus 1 over x minus 11 equal to 5. We have to find all real solutions. So let's get started by writing our denominator cannot be 0. So our answer cannot be 11 first. Now we will take this term to the RHS and 5 we will take to the LHS. So we can write x minus 5 will be equal to the square root of x plus 1 over x minus 11. Now x cannot be 11, so we can multiply both sides by x minus 11. So in the RHS we will write x minus 11. Now we will cancel x minus 11 from the RHS numerator denominator. We will get square root x plus 1, which is in the RHS, will be equal to x minus 5 times x minus 11. Now we are going to use algebraic manipulation step. We can write x minus 5 as x minus 8 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. X minus 11. We can write x minus 8 minus 3. Minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11. Now if we will consider x minus 8 equal to a and 3 equal to b, then in RHS we have one specific form, a plus b times a minus b. We know that this is difference of two squares identity. So there we can write a square minus b square. A is x minus 8, b is 3. So we can write square root x plus 1 equal to x minus 8 whole square minus 3 square. So we can write 9. Now we will write our equation here. Square root x plus 1 equal to x minus 8 whole square minus 3 square is 9. Now LHS is square root x plus 1. We can write x minus 8. Then we have to write plus 9. Minus 8 plus 9 is plus 1 equal to x minus 8 whole square minus 9. Now we have x minus 8, x minus 8. So let us assume x minus 8 equal to u. So I can write our equation in variable u, square root u plus 9 in the LHS. In RHS we will write u square minus 9. Now I will find domain of the equation first. So u square minus 9 can be written as u plus 3 times u minus 3. So from RHS this should be positive. We can write u should be less than minus 3, u should be greater than 3. Now from LHS this radicand must be positive. So I can write u should be greater than minus 9. Now we will take intersection of these two conditions. So I can write u should be in the interval minus 9 to minus 3. And once we will take intersection of these two conditions, then I can write u should be greater than 3. So our answer in u should be either minus 9 to minus 3 interval or u should be greater than 3. Now we will solve this equation. So I will write here square root u plus 9 equal to u square minus 9. Now in LHS we have a square root. So to finish this square root I need to square both sides. So square root and square will be cancelled out from left hand side. So I can write u plus 9 equal to u square minus 9 whole square. So I can write u plus 9 equal to u square minus 9 whole square. Now we will use another algebraic manipulation step. I will subtract u square from both the sides. Now in RHS we are going to apply a square minus b square formula, and in LHS we are going to take minus 1 common or minus common. So I can write minus of u square minus u minus 9. In RHS we will apply difference of two squares formula. So we can write u square plus u minus 9 in one bracket. In other bracket u square minus u minus 9. Now we are going to take all the terms to RHS. So we will write u square plus u minus 9 times u square minus u minus 9 plus u square minus u minus 9 equal to 0. Now we will take u square minus u minus 9 common out. So in other bracket we will write u square plus u minus 9 plus 1 equal to 0. Or we can write u square minus u minus 9 times u square plus u minus 8 equal to 0. Now we can use product zero rule. So we will write either u square minus u minus 9 equal to 0 or u square plus u minus 8 equal to 0. Now both equations are quadratic in u. We are going to use quadratic formula. So I can write here u equal to minus b. So minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of b square. So I will write minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 9, which will give us plus 36 over 2. 2 times 1 is 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 37 over 2. So we have two real values. Now we will solve our second quadratic equation. So I will write here u equal to minus b. b is plus 1, so minus 1 plus minus the square root of b square is 1 square 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 8 plus 32 over 2 times 1, so 2. So from here we are going to get another two real values, minus 1 plus minus the square root of 33 over 2. Let me write all the four u values here. U equal to 1 plus root 37 over 2. 1 minus root 37 over 2. Minus 1 plus root 33 over 2. And minus 1 minus root 33 over 2. Now condition on u was, if I will write here, u should be in the interval minus 9 to minus 3. Either this inequality holds true or u should be greater than 3. These two conditions are required if our solution is lying either on the inequalities. We are going to accept that u value. So I will write here the approximate values of our u solutions. So 1 plus square root 37 over 2. This is approximately 3.51. 1 minus root 37 over 2 minus 2.5. Then we have minus 1 plus root 33 over 2. Approximate value would be 2.4, and minus 1 minus root 33 over 2 value will be somewhere minus 3.4. Now we have two conditions for u. So we are going to reject these two solutions as they are not lying in the specified interval of u. So we are going to accept this one and the last one. So u will be equal to 1 plus square root 37 over 2 and minus 1 minus root 33 over 2. Now u was our substitution, x minus 8. So I will write here, this is equal to x minus 8. Now we will add 8 to both sides. So x will be equal to 1 plus square root 37 over 2 plus 8 and minus 1 minus square root 33 over 2 plus 8. So 16 plus 1, 17 plus square root 37 over 2 is our first real x. And second value, I will write here x2 equal to 16 minus 1, which is 15, minus square root 33 over 2. So we have two real solutions. Let me write here x1 equal to 17 plus square root 37 over 2 and x2 we will write 15 minus square root 33 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.